Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks, I come here often. The coffee is amazing.
Really? It's my first time here. What do you recommend?
I love their cappuccino. It's smooth and creamy.
Sounds good. I'll try that.
Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. And you?
Same here. I work nearby, so I stop in often.
That's nice. I work from home, so I needed a change of scene.
I get that. Sometimes a coffee shop feels more productive than home.
True. Do you usually come here in the mornings?
Mostly, the mornings are quiet. What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. You?
I'm a software developer.
Cool. Maybe we can work here together sometime.
Do you usually work here on weekdays?
Not really. I just come when I feel bored at home.
Makes sense. A change of place helps clear the mind.
Yes. The quiet background noise helps me focus.
I feel the same. Total silence makes me sleepy.
Yes. The quiet background noise helps me focus.
I feel the same. Total silence makes me sleepy.
Haha, me too. Music and coffee are the perfect combo.
Do you listen to music while working?
Yes, soft music or instrumentals. What about you?
I like jazz or lo-fi beats.
That's cool. Maybe we can share playlists next time.
Great idea. By the way, do you have any hobbies?
I love painting and taking nature photos.
That's awesome. I enjoy hiking and reading.
Oh, I love hiking too. Nature is so relaxing.
We should go on a hike someday.
I love that. Do you know any good places?
Yes, there's a quiet trail just 30 minutes from here.
Sounds perfect. Let's plan it for next weekend.
Deal. I'll bring coffee, you bring your camera.
Haha, done. It's a plan.
You know, I've never really told anyone about my dreams before.
Really? Why not?
I guess I was afraid people wouldn't take me seriously.
But your ideas are amazing. You should believe in them.
Thanks. Talking to you makes it feel possible.
I'm glad. Everyone needs someone who listens.
I've always wanted to make a difference, not just earn money.
That's a rare and beautiful goal.
Do you think dreams change as we grow?
Maybe. But I think our true dreams stay inside us.
I used to dream of being an astronaut as a kid.
Haha. Me too. I wanted to fly to the moon.
Look at us now, walking through trees instead of space.
And still dreaming big. That's what matters.
You know, I think this hike was more than just fresh air.
How so?
I got to know someone who inspires me.
That's sweet, Alex. I feel the same way.
Let's not wait too long to plan our next adventure.
Agreed. Maybe next time we talk about our childhood dreams in more detail.
Okay, let's talk childhood dreams. What did little Emma want to be?
I wanted to be a singer. I used to sing into a hairbrush like it was a microphone.
That's adorable. Do you still sing?
Only in the shower. What about you?
I told you I wanted to be an astronaut, but I also wanted to be a magician.
A magician. That's unexpected.
I wasn't very good. I once made the spoon disappear and couldn't find it for days.
Haha. Classic. I once performed a concert in my backyard, just me and the neighbor's cat.
That cat must have been your biggest fan.
Totally. He even fell asleep.
True, childhood was so full of wonder, right?
Yeah. We believed we could be anything.